hey. Hello. Hello. Hey everybody. Hey y'all. I'm just gonna do an update for the lettuce that I put in the Fresh Mart on Tuesday. It was already starting to look a little bit sad and had like that reddish tint around the edges. So that was Tuesday. So Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So it's been like 6 days. And I just got it out of the fridge. We haven't been home much this week, so I haven't eaten any of it. But I'll show you what it looks like. So you can tell it has gotten a little bit more like just aged looking. It's starting to get a little bit of that reddish brown color. But considering that it was already old when I put it in here, and it's been in here for almost a week now, look, it's not slimy or anything. It just has like that little bit of a tint to it. Like I would still totally make a salad with this. It's not slimy or smushy at all, but I cannot believe it lasted that much longer. So I'm definitely going to consider that a win. This definitely stayed a lot longer than it would have just in the Ziploc and the bag from the store. So that's your lettuce update. Show everybody back. You see back up? Alright, see y'all later.